There are phone calls you'll never forget. The call that you got the job. The call that someone said yes. The call that changed your life for the better. But for years, I worked as a senior life insurance claims examiner, and I became very familiar with a different kind of phone call. A spouse calling after losing their husband, a son calling after losing his mother, a daughter trying to figure out what comes next after losing her father. And what struck me wasn't just the grief. It was how different those conversations sounded depending on whether there was a plan. Some families were devastated emotionally, but financially, they had breathing room. They could focus on healing. They had time. They had options. Other families were trying to grieve and solve a financial crisis at the same time. Funeral expenses, bills, mortgage payments, lost income, questions nobody wants to answer while they're mourning. That's when I realized something. Life insurance isn't really about death. It's about what happens to the people who are still here. It's about making sure one phone call doesn't become the beginning of financial chaos. That's a big part of why I moved from working claims to helping people get coverage on the front end. Because I'd rather help families prepare than only meet them on one of the hardest days of their lives. If you've been putting this conversation off, don't wait for the phone call. Plan before life forces the conversation. There's a link in my bio if you'd like to explore your options. And if this message means something to you, share and repost this video. A lot of people don't realize how much one decision today can impact a family's tomorrow. Follow me for more. I am Jasmón Clayton. Keep pushing, stay curious, and always move forward.